Why do I have a glove again? Hi, I'm Dr. Abhi. Welcome to Incontinence Series Part 3. So, this is your bladder, and these are the intrinsic muscles like we discussed last time. But there is another set of muscles called the pelvic floor muscles that sits exactly on the outside, supporting your urethra. Normally, if your pelvic floor is strong enough, then if you cough or sneeze, you shouldn't really leak. But if there is a defect in your pelvic floor, then when you cough or sneeze, you will have a leak, like so. So if you enjoyed the series, follow for part 4.